on camera focus. Don't play with me. Hey guys, it's Weezy, the Sexy Grandma 2K, and I'm coming at you today with a new wig review. The unit we're going to be taking a look at is by Sensationnel. It is from their Cloud 9 Wet Lace line, and I'm very excited to be doing this one. I thought I'd try to sneak her in before the end of summer, before everybody gets back to school. She is a shorter bob unit, and her name is Tyrina. And I have Miss Tyrina in the color Money Piece Wine. So, sis, we're going to go ahead, do a little sipping on her and find out what she's looking like. I'm going to get her unboxed. We're going to check out her cap construction. I'll get her styled up and we'll do our normal mumbo jumbo. Come back in the outro and I'll tell you all about it and my thoughts. All right? So if you want to see Sensationnel's Wet Lace Tyrina, then sis, keep watching. Let's go.
Rage on that beat, going crazy. Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Alright guys, let's talk about this little baby. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. I absolutely adore this thing. Do y'all see this? Yes, hunty. This is so doggone cute. Okay, so I did do my fake scalp method in the parting space. It's looking really, really nice. I do like it. Okay, before I start giving you my thoughts, let's just talk about her claims. Okay, so she is a, 13 by 6 lace front, ear to ear, with 6-inch deep hand-tied parting. So she is deep parting, and you guys saw I did right, left, middle, but the ear to ear is where I kind of, I wound up like just kind of rounding her out because it didn't come all the way down. So ear to ear, I'm not so sure about that if you have a larger head, but she is workable. And speaking of Vogue, speaking of larger heads, she is big head friendly in my opinion. So yeah, I think that's good. I've gotten very minimal shedding, guys. Even after I cut the lace out, I haven't gotten hardly any shedding whatsoever. I have not gotten any tangling. She is very silky, as you guys can see. She does not have, I don't see really any yackiness in her. She's more silky than yak. The fibers on her are really, really nice because she's not so silky to where she's like a tangly kind of silky mess. Now she does have a shine on her, as you guys can see. You could go ahead and spray you some dry shampoo on her. Let's try a little bit of this and just see what it do, girl. She is shinier up here just because I did use my TIGI bedhead wax stick. So that did give her a little more shine right up in there. So let's just see if it dulls it down a little. Ooh, that stuff smells so dang on good. Ooh, that smells good. So yeah, as you can see, that did work. It does kind of take some of that shine off. So, you know, if you feel like she's too shiny for you, you can definitely spray some dry shampoo on her. Damn, this stuff smells good. Okay, so, and I got this, guys, from Ross's. I paid $7.99 for it. Baby hairs. So she did have really nice, thin, wispy baby hairs, and I did do, you know, a little swoop to swoop, and got them to my liking. So I do like that. I do like the hairline. Again, guys, this is another unit where they're kind of giving you a nice pre-plucked hairline, as I say, temple to temple, but then on the sides, they're leaving it thick. So you could go in there and pluck that more if you wanted to, but I've been noticing that with a lot of companies. They're just giving you pre-pluckage up here. Or as my girl Phoebe Rome say, pre-plucation. Just gonna get it like right here, temple to temple, just so you're aware of that. You all, I don't even know what else to say about this thing. It's very, very cute. I like it. I'm okay that it doesn't have a lot of yackiness in it, and it is really cute. So I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best wig I ever had, I would probably give this bad boy 8 to an 8.5. So you definitely have styling options with her. The lace, I did go ahead, as you guys saw, and I used the Even Tint spray and tinted the lace because you're gonna have to tint that lace, sis. Period. Period, poo. Yeah, okay. At 8.5, I'm gonna say 8.5 out of 10. I really, really like it. All right, guys, so let me know in the comments what you think, if you have her, just what your thoughts are on her. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you go ahead, hit subscribe, sis. Hit that like button for me and share, share, share. Also, guys, make sure you're following me on Instagram. So I hope you're having a very blessed day. You guys, please make sure you're staying safe. I hope you all are ready for back to school and keeping the babies safe in that whole process. All right, guys, so that's it for me. This is Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K. And sis, make sure, as I always say, to show somebody a little piece of heaven today. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.